Want a cool text effect for your Canva design? So let's begin this tutorial. First of all, add a page, then press here R and resize it. Then change the color in black and go to text, add a heading and heading का color जो है हम white लेते हैं. Then change here font. I choose here enter. Then increase the size. And letter space, create here some letter space, then go to effects, then outline and select here color white and thickness is choose 60. Go to share and download, then download in a PNG form. Add a page, then go to uploads, then uploads, then insert here upload file, then increase the size and go to elements. Then elements में मैंने यहाँ पे नेचर सर्च किया है. Then resize it, then right click layer and send to backward. Then select this edit image and BG remove. Then go to positions, layer and select the image layer and resize it properly. Then again go to share, download and download in a PNG form. Select the page second, then done and then download. Then add a page, go to uploads file, then increase the size and select the image. Then again select the image, go to edit image, select dough tone, then cherry, then select this color in white and blue color also white. Then go to first page and select the font. Select the text, copy the text and then here paste and then go to effects and then select here hollow and then hollow में हम इसकी thickness जो रखते हैं वो रखते हैं 20 to 21. Okay, then go to share and download in a PNG form. Then select the page and then download. Then add a page, go to uploads file, then resize it into the page, then go to edit image, then choose a shadow, drop shadow and then distances, select here 5 and intensity is 91. Then you can also change here background color if you want. Then here is a final result. Hope you like it. Follow for more.